Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your temp files in your PC or Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this, now you want to do a search for run, and then open up run. Now from here we need to type in temp and then click on OK. Now this is going to go ahead and open up our temporary files. So from here we want to click on Control A and click on delete. Now we want to go ahead and delete all these files inside of here. Now we need to do the same but for a different type of run. So go back into run, and now we want to put % in front of temp and then after temp as well. So here it is here, temp. And then we want to delete all these files inside of here as well. So do the same thing, Control A to select all, and then click on delete. And now it's going to go ahead and delete. And then it might ask for provide administration permissions to delete this folder. I'm just going to click continue. And then yeah, go ahead and delete all those files inside of there. And that's going to delete your temp files inside Windows 11.